Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter and organize your Yahoo emails. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few ways how to do this. The first way is to create folders to organize emails. So go ahead to mail.yahoo.com and sign into your account. On the left hand side, we're going to see these different tabs. Go ahead and click on the folder tab and then click on new folder and then give it a name and then click add. From here, we can click in the new folder. Now inside the new folder we created, and we can go ahead and manually add emails or users to this new folder. So now to do that, I want to go to inbox. So if I want to go ahead and move this stripe there, I'm going to go ahead and click onto it and then click onto where it says move. And now I want to move that to my new folder. And now that's going to appear in my folder section. So I'll click on new folder. I'm going to refresh it. Here it is here. So I've moved that successfully over. Now if I go ahead and go back to my inbox, we can go ahead and use the filters icon. So go ahead and click on advanced, and then from here we can go ahead and type a name or email, and type a name and email, even subject. We can filter via any time in the last 7 days, 30 days, or custom dates, and it contains attachments, photos, calendar invites, and go ahead and click on search so you can filter your emails that way. We can also use the starred and important markers. So if there's any important emails inside of your inbox, we can go ahead and star or use a important marker. So now to do that is hover over an email. So say if it's Atlas Surf here, I want to go ahead and put a star on that. Then you can see a star here. And now to view all your starred emails, what we can do is click on the little filters preferences tab on the top right. From here, click on the more filters, and then if we've got starred, go ahead and enable that, and that's going to show you all your star icon emails.